Elephants were mainly a weapon of psychological warfare. The trouble was, elephants weren't so keen to join the army. They often panicked and fled, trampling men on their own side as well as the enemy. In the thick of battle, animals were often given the most risky assignments, such as carrying communication lines from one trench to another. This crack force of canine messengers was highly valued. In fact, if captured, they would often end up working for the enemy. They saved thousands of lives on both sides in the First World War.